please help me welcome our next company to the stage, Exposit. Please welcome Exposit.
Hi, so this is Roshan Rawal, a young innovator entrepreneur from India. So at Exposit, we create a virtual reality, immersive education and training. So the problem which we are solving that is, in India or in the globe, in higher technical education, especially in engineering, the students facing the problem of, practicals, they might be very hazardous, dangerous for them. To set up a complete lab at colleges, it's too expensive for the university and colleges, and it's very tough to access all those machines from the industry for the college students. So how we are solving that problem with the help of virtual reality? So how we are different, that is we are the first, or we can say the most affordable virtual reality applications creator, where we provide a mobile VR. So that's what we are solving this problem. As of now, how we did market validation, that we agreed almost 45 colleges out of, we approached 57 colleges, and we collaborated with 45. We surveyed more than 500 plus students, and they got a good we got a good positive response. The growth of this market is in VR in education, that is 59.14%, and in higher technical education, especially 51.7%. This is the market potential, especially in India. Every year, there are 1.5 million engineering graduates every year. So that's a huge billions market. While in the globe, it's a billions of market. It's again a futuristic market, and it's a very emerging market. Yeah, so our business model is very simple. Our customers are university and colleges, especially engineering, and we are charging to the university about $5 per student. And we are offering a virtual reality training software to them. Yeah, so there are a few competitors like Photon VR and VATIV. They are some local competitors. Few are the globals too, but they are mostly focusing on K-12. We are more centric and more affordable than them. This is what makes a difference. We are providing the first mobile virtual reality, interactive immersive educations. We are more accessible to the students, immersive with the interactive. And we are looking for the funding of around $100,000 for our more software development and the marketing purpose. And we are the most young and ourselves engineers to solve this problem by own. Yeah, that's what Roshan Rawal from India. Thank you.